Okay, hi folks. We're getting set up for next week. Oh my God, we got a lot of treasures here. I'm going to give you like a quick run through here for next week's auction Friday on the 22nd. Just to let you know, it's not all shiny stuff. This is the way we would get it prior to doing the restoration work. So all this stuff's going up Friday, starting at 10 in the morning, which you guys would know on the website. I'm going to move. And then, yeah, look at this. Nice big huge tent. And there's a Clear Vision. That's a G&B pump. It's going into sale as well. And then just tons of odds and sods. Like I said, I'm retiring. So hopefully it's not too dark in the tent, but I'll just give you a quick version of what's going on here. Face plates and tops and panels and, you know, just, and we're going to get it all sorted out. We'll sort all this stuff. You know, bubblegum machines and letter boxes and weight machine and wiper blade box. And hope I'm not going too fast here. Look at all the panels. Oh my God. No, a lot of that stuff's going to be labeled. So G&B and Wayne and Erie pump panels. You know, and then there's it's not all just gas pumps. I got boxes of picture frames and car stuff, tail lights and chrome exhaust pipes and bar stuff and milkshake maker, and this cart got to get emptied, and you know, so again, this is going to get filled up pretty good. So get it all sorted out for you guys for Friday. I'm going to just walk. Go too fast here. So again, this is outside on the Friday, and everything that you see outside here is going to be just held up, and what you see is what you get. And oh, signs, lots of signs. We've also got some really good a couple of lamp posts and holders, and just all sorts of stuff. I mean, hey, I've been a picker for I don't know how many years, and just emptying out the barn. Beautiful table bases, coffee grinder, stoves, pumps, lobster tanks. You know, just you're needing computers for the pumps and signs. We still got to empty out the barn. You know, there's fridges that you can turn into bar fridges, Coca-Cola or VW fridge, or again, more signs. Yeah, so pretty exciting stuff, really. I call it junk because that's what it is. But you turn that junk into treasures. You guys know. You're pickers just like me. But I'm getting rid of all of it. And more fridges, signs, really nice cooler there. Two-door cooler, and yeah, greaser, Anko box, and two-piston cart, and wheel balancers, and tire jack, and some neat aluminum kids for what you'd see in the park. And you know, this is all sheet metal from different visibles, from G&B visibles to Wayne to double visibles. Computer faces, milk cans, and kitty ride. Really cool lamp lighter for your signpost, and a Quaker State frame. Some greasers, oil catchers, bar stools that need restoration of all different sorts, lobster tanks. Yeah. So anyways, that gives you a bit of a bird's eye view of what's going on, and hope to see you on Friday. Bring a truck and bring boxes. See you later.